Have you noticed that typography is becoming impossible to ignore? Letters are moving, serifs are making a comeback, designers are stretching, warping, and even blending typography into photography. And somehow, all of it works. But here's the interesting part. These aren't just visual trends. They are changing how brands communicate, how people interact with digital products, and how designers create memorable identities. So, if you're a graphic designer or planning to become one, here are 7 typography trends you must know in 2026. Hi, I'm Simran from And Academy. In this video, we are exploring the biggest typography trends shaping branding, social media, advertising, and digital design in 2026. More importantly, we look at why these trends are becoming popular, where you'll see them in the real world, and how you can start using them in your own work. So let's jump in. Typography isn't just there to display information anymore, it's becoming part of the story itself. Designers are treating letter forms as visual elements that communicate emotion before people even begin reading. A headline can feel energetic, a layout can feel dramatic. Even the spacing between letters can completely change how a message is perceived. You will see this everywhere, from campaign posters and album covers to brand identities where typography carries as much meaning as the imagery itself. Instead of asking which font looks good, designers are asking what should this typography make people feel? And once typography starts telling stories, the next step is to make those stories move. Static text is quickly disappearing from digital experiences. Instead, typography moves. It slides, fades, expands, responds to scrolling. Sometimes it even reacts to sound or user interaction. Kinetic typography has become one of the most effective ways to grab attention across websites, apps, and especially short form video content. But the best motion isn't there just to look impressive. Every movement guides your eye, reveals information, or reinforces the message. As audiences spend more time watching than reading, typography is becoming something you experience, not just something you see. While some designers are embracing movement, others are rediscovering something much older. For years, minimal sans serif fonts have been dominating almost everything: tech companies, startups, apps, brand identities. But in 2026, serif fonts are making a confident comeback. Not the traditional, old-fashioned serifs you might imagine. Modern serifs have sharper details, stronger contrast, and much more personality. They instantly communicate craftsmanship, trust, and sophistication. That's why you'll find them appearing across luxury brands, editorial websites, and even modern digital products looking to stand out from the sea of geometric sans serifs. Typography trends rarely disappear forever, they evolve. And another trend that's making a comeback is something that takes us straight back to the 90s. If you've noticed more vintage looking graphics recently, you're not imagining it. Designers are bringing back compressed typefaces, bold gradients, chunky lettering, and early internet aesthetics inspired by the 1990s. It's nostalgic enough for people who grew up during that era, but fresh enough for younger audiences discovering these visuals for the first time. Brands love nostalgia because it creates an emotional connection almost instantly. And typography is one of the easiest ways to evoke those memories. But while some designers are looking backwards, other designers are trying to make typography feel more human. As AI-generated visuals become more common, authenticity has become more valuable than ever. That is one reason hand-drawn typography continues to grow. Imperfect strokes, organic curves, uneven edges. These details give typography warmth that perfectly polished digital fonts often cannot. You'll see this style across cafes, sustainable brands, handmade products, and lifestyle businesses that want to feel approachable and genuine. Sometimes those imperfections become the very thing people remember. And from handcrafted typography, let's move on to something that is on the complete opposite end of the spectrum. Minimalism isn't going anywhere, but in crowded digital spaces, sometimes bigger wins. Oversized headlines, heavy fonts, bold compositions. Designers are making typography impossible to ignore, especially on social media where users decide within seconds whether to keep scrolling. Instead of competing with visuals, typography becomes the visual. It's loud, confident, direct. And yet, Another trend is combining that boldness with something surprisingly nostalgic. Retrofuturism blends yesterday's optimism with tomorrow's technology. Think vintage inspired fonts, bright colors, geometric shapes, and futuristic layouts. It borrows visual cues from the 70s, 80s, and early digital culture while presenting them in modern, polished compositions. It's nostalgic without feeling outdated, familiar without feeling repetitive, which is exactly why brands across music, entertainment, and fashion continue embracing it. Here's a bonus tip. If you want to understand typography, study brands that use it well. Spotify combines oversized typography with motion to create energy. Nike uses bold type to communicate confidence before you even read the message. Swiggy keeps typography clean and functional, making navigation effortless across devices. Fab India uses elegant serif typefaces to reinforce craftsmanship and heritage. And brands like The Whole Truth prove that sometimes the simplest typography creates the strongest sense of trust. The lesson isn't to copy these brands, it's to understand why their typography works. So, those were the 7 typography trends that every graphic designer should know in 2026. You don't need to use every trend in every design. The best designers know which trend supports a message and which one doesn't. Typography isn't about following fashion, it's about making the message clearer, stronger, and more memorable. If you'd like to learn typography, branding, visual communication, and AI powered design workflows through real world projects, Explore and Academy's graphic design courses. You'll find the link in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with another designer. And tell us in the comments which typography trend are you most excited to experiment with in 2026. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.